Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to correctly configure the inventory tool within ZonWizard. Setting this up properly ensures you can manage your stock with precision and receive accurate automatic restock suggestions. Let's dive in. First, from the left-hand menu, navigate to Inventory Settings. This section controls your on-hand inventory, which refers to the stock held in your own warehouse. The first key parameter is max stock days. This is where you define how much buffer you want. For example, if you set this to 120 days, the system plans for you to have enough stock on hand to cover 4 months of sales before needing a supplier reorder. Next, we have default lead time. Enter the average number of days it takes for your supplier to deliver goods to your warehouse. This is crucial for the system to calculate your ideal reorder date. Quick tip: while lead times can vary by product, if this is your first setup, you can click Update All Products to apply this value across your entire inventory. This will also become the default for any new products detected in the future. Now, let's look at Marketplace Inventory. This tab is dedicated to the inventory you keep at fulfillment centers, like Amazon FBA. Start with max days of stock for Marketplace. This represents your desired stock level at Amazon. If you set this to 30 days, ZonWizard will aim to keep a 1-month supply of forecasted sales at the FBA warehouse. Then, enter your shipping time to Amazon. This is how long it takes to move goods from your warehouse to theirs. The system uses this to tell you exactly when to send a new batch to avoid a stockout. Note that you can also fine-tune these settings for individual items in the Overview section, or if you have a large catalog via a bulk upload template. Finally, let's look at low stock alerts. This ensures you're never caught off guard. You can choose how far in advance of a reorder date you'd like to be notified. For instance, by setting a 7-day lead time for alerts, the system will group together all products that need attention within the coming week. From here on out, ZonWizard will use your sales velocity, lead times, and shipping windows to give you automatic suggestions on when and how much to ship. Before we wrap up, remember that for your suggestions to become fully operational, it's essential to configure the initial stock levels for your internal inventory and to create your supplier profiles, linking them to the products they provide. I recommend following our 2 dedicated video tutorials on these steps to complete your setup. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching.